Hey, what up, guys? Yusuf here, back to another theory. So, next theory I'm going to explore regarding Goku Black is it's another popular theory, which is regarding is Goten Goku Black. Now, let's look at this in an unbiased way, okay? Now, Goten looks similar to Goku, and Black Goku, right? He looks a bit like Goku, so obviously people are saying, wait a minute, they all look alike. It could potentially be Goten. But let's explore this. So, first of all, it's in future Trunks' timeline. Does Goten exist? Okay, he doesn't exist in the timeline. However, what plausible points can we find to justify Goten's existence in future Trunks' timeline? First one could be that future future Trunks' timeline, it is possible that there has been some sort of a change in the sense that maybe Goten was born earlier than expected and it wasn't mentioned in the history of Trunks. Now, I know that's a bit of a shitty excuse if Toriyama does pull something like that, but that is a plausible one where maybe he was born a lot earlier than expected, just before Goku dies of the heart virus. Which, okay, it is very unlikely because he didn't get mentioned. He didn't get mentioned in the movie. However, we have to establish whether a lot of these movies are actually sort of legit in the sense that are they canon, are they non-canon, what's true, what's false. So that's the first thing. Second thing, it could be maybe Goten has somehow gained control of a time machine and has moved himself into that timeline, into the future Trunks timeline. Another thing that kind of puts me down on that theory is the fact that why would he move himself into that time? Is there something that brought him back to that time? Is he trying to prevent something? Don't forget, he's destroying everything. The whole place is like zombie apocalypse. The whole thing is just destroyed. So what's his motive, right? And another thing is, what in terms of this whole time machine thing is, how did he get access to it? Because it's Trunks and Bulma who's it's Capsule Corporation. So how did he get sort of the hands to it? You know what I mean? So that's another thing that we need to explore if he did come back in the past. Another theory is that maybe he came from Universe 6. Universe 6, maybe Goku's Goten, maybe was evil, caught at some sort of a time machine from Universe 6 and somehow ended up in Universe 7 timeline, which is plausible. I'm not going to lie, we can't just totally exclude that. But again, a lot of these ideas, you have to kind of think a bit deep to justify it. And, whether Toriyama really wants to dig that deep, I don't think so. But again, it is something that's been, put out there. It's quite a popular theory. I would love to see, though, how Goten somehow got connected with this green Kai. And it would be even more hilarious if at the end it was a massive plot twist where, funny enough, Goku Black was actually the goodie rather than the villain, and he was destroying Earth because of a potential threat. Now that would be quite a hilarious plot twist. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think of this theory, whether it's plausible or not. If it's not, please let me know in the comments. Okay, and subscribe if you can. Cheers.